Your Tesla has two screens that interface with one another, the 17-inch touchscreen and the instrument cluster behind your steering wheel. In addition to the apps on either side, your instrument cluster presents the information that's most important while driving. State of charge and drive mode show at the bottom. Your current speed is centered at the top. Below is your driving visualization. This animates your Tesla's perception of its surroundings and gives readouts for active safety features like blind spot monitoring. Driver assistance features like auto steer are also indicated here. The touchscreen works much like a smartphone. It displays and controls just about everything in your Tesla. At the top is your status bar. Most of these icons are interactive. For example, tap here to display the charging menu, or here to lock or unlock your car. Tap the Bluetooth icon to connect your phone for calls and media. Bring up the Bluetooth menu on your phone, and then on the car's screen, select Add New Device and Start Search. Once your phone's name appears, select it and wait for a prompt on your phone. Select Pair within the prompt, and you're connected. This fully interactive map serves as the backdrop for most of the screen. Explore by dragging, pinching, and rotating, just as you would on a smartphone. Tap to select a point of interest, or press and hold to drop a pin. These red pins are Tesla supercharger stations, where you'll be charging on long-distance trips. You can always pull up these and other nearby charging locations by tapping here. Enter a destination here or use voice commands. Navigate to SpaceX. If you need to charge to reach your destination, Tesla Trip Planner will automatically route you to superchargers along the way. Access more apps from the bar at the bottom of the screen. This is your app launcher, which contains most of them. The Media app is one touch away and can be displayed with navigation and a third app. Drag to resize and reposition apps. Tap the X or swipe all the way down to close out of them. You can also adjust your climate from the bottom bar. Just tap for front and rear defrosters, heated seats, or to turn on climate control and reveal the climate menu. To adjust temperature, tap here. Use the steering wheel control, or just tell your Tesla what setting you want. Set the temperature to 70. Press and hold here to turn climate control off, or again, just tell your car what you want. The climate menu houses many more controls, including your heated steering wheel, wiper heaters, and rear heated seats. Your HEPA filtration system fills the cabin with medical-grade air whenever climate control is pulling air from outside. While we hope you'll never need to use it, bioweapon defense mode is a tap away, should you find yourself in a particularly noxious situation. Finally, tap here to bring up the controls menu, where you can view and toggle numerous settings. The Quick Controls tab has what you'll use most often. One important point to note in the Driving tab: you can adjust your stopping mode. Your Tesla has regenerative braking. As you lift off the accelerator pedal, you'll slow down while returning energy to the battery pack. You can see on the driving visualization that your brake lights turn on when regen causes significant deceleration. It can take a few miles to get used to it, but it maximizes efficiency and control, ultimately making it easier to drive. Stopping mode adjusts the way your car behaves when you release the pedals. We recommend hold. It allows you to gradually bring your Tesla to a complete stop as you lift off the accelerator. Of course, press the brake anytime you need more stopping force.